you have created too many pages recently. Please try again later. If this is the error message you receive while trying to create a new Facebook business page account, then you are not alone. I've had my own fair share of this error message while trying to create a new Facebook business page, but I've been able to create multiple pages using this step-by-step guide I'm about to show you in this video. If you follow these same steps that I used, you will get the exact same result that I got. Alright, so guys, let's go. It's straightforward. It takes less than 10 minutes. Okay, let's go. To start with, you log into your Google Play Store. You search for this app called Windscribe. I have installed the app already, so in your case, you download it and install. If you haven't created an account with Windscribe before now, you create an account with Get Started. Enter your username, create a password, enter your email. It's optional, but it is good you enter an email. Alright, enter your email, then click on continue. Follow the prompt there, and then you create your account. Okay, but because I have created my account, I'll skip this step and just click on login instead. So I'll enter my username here. So I just logged in now using my username and password. Okay, so this is me on Windscribe. What I'll do next is turn on my Windscribe, turn it on. Okay, you wait for the app to connect. Now it's connected. My VPN is active. What this VPN does is to change your location. Okay, so it changes your location from Nigeria to somewhere else. All right, then you go to your Facebook application, log in, go to pages, click on create page, get started. Remember, before now, whenever you get to create a new page like this, you have this error message. All right, but now, since we have turned on our um Windscribe VPN, will no longer have that error message again. Let's name this page for the purpose of this tutorial. Let's name this page um digital digital lessons. Click on next. Then since it's digital, it's supposed to be internet marketing, internet marketing service. Then once you are done, you click on create. Voila, you see, successful. You have created digital lessons. Now add more details to help people connect with you. Then you enter your biography, that is your bio, and if you have a website for your business, if you have an email, your phone number, your address. Please note, for every business page on Facebook, it's good that you fill in these details. All right, it will help your page be visible, gain visibility. Okay, but then for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just ignore all these steps, skip next, next, done. So I skip those steps for the purpose of this tutorial. You see, switch to digital lessons. My page is created now. Digital lessons. My page is created now. So guys, this is pretty much how you can create a new Facebook page and bypass that error. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, share. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you get to receive new videos like this whenever I drop one. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.
If you need help to scale up your business using profitable Facebook and Instagram ads, or you are tired of wasting money on ads, you are tired of trying and error, you are tired of not getting results from your ads, and you want to learn how to run profitable Facebook and Instagram ads yourself, then you should hire my agency as Digital Advocate. I've dropped a link in the description below. Click on the link, send me a WhatsApp message, and we'll continue from there. See you on my next video, guys.